Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat filters not showing on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead and open Snapchat and then go to your profile and then go to settings and then scroll down to manage and then enable filters. Next, you have to allow location services. Go to settings and then search for Snapchat and then make sure to allow location services. In location, instead of doing never, either do ask next time or when I share while using this app, or always. The best one is while using this app. And then go ahead and update your app if that did not work. In App Store, go ahead and search for Snapchat. Click update if there is an update button available, and make sure to update your app to the latest version. Then restart your iPhone. Safety tip: avoid jailbreaking Snapchat. Disables for features on modified devices. Quick fix: switch to mobile data and reload filters, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.